How to send SMS on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Then, scroll down the main list of settings until you find and tap on Messages. Inside the Messages menu, scroll down again to locate the option labeled Send as Text Message. Enable the option. After adjusting the settings, now open the Messages app. Tap the new message icon in the top right corner to start a new conversation. Now type the recipient's name into the To field and select the correct contact. After typing a message, tap on the send arrow which is green. Finally, the message appears in the chat, visually confirming that it was sent as an SMS. Here, you can also view the time at the top center. Following these steps, you can easily send SMS on an iPhone.